So in this Wealth Simple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Uber put options in Canada, ticker symbol UBER here on Wealth Simple. So once you have Wealth Simple open up on your device, go into your account. So for me, it's going to be my non-registered account. Once that is done, go to the search bar right here. So go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Go to the top and press on the search bar right below Discovery or Discover, and then go ahead and type in ticker symbol UBER. Now what you want is the one that says Uber with the options button beside it. So the second option down here from the top, press on that one right there, a part of the New York Stock Exchange. Go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you wanted to buy a put option for Uber, it's super simple. Go to the top where it says, I believe that Uber will rise by, press on where it says rise, and change that over to where it says put option under type of option. Now it should say Uber will fall by, and if you want to change the expiry date, go to the expiry date right here. So for me, it says September 29th, press on that, and then change the expiry date to whatever date you want down the road. Now, if you wanted to buy a put option for in the money, a bunch of different options right here. If you wanted to go out of the money, a bunch of different options right here, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to go out of the money for $42.50. So we'll press on that. Then if you want to confirm this purchase, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Uber put options in Canada, ticker symbol UBER. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.